Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your fitness clothing line with Lululemon, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching the fitness clothing market to understand current trends and customer preferences. Identify your target audience by defining demographics such as age, fitness level, and lifestyle. Analyze Lululemon's business model to discover what makes their brand successful. Consider how your brand can differentiate itself while still appealing to the same customer base. Develop a unique value proposition that sets your brand apart from competitors. Create a compelling brand identity, including a logo, color scheme, and consistent messaging. Design a diverse product line that includes various styles, sizes, and performance features. Source high-quality materials that meet both performance and sustainability standards. Establish relationships with reliable manufacturers who align with your brand values. Build a strong online presence through a professional website and active social media channels. Utilize influencer marketing by partnering with fitness enthusiasts who resonate with your target audience. Implement an effective marketing strategy that includes email campaigns, social media ads, and content marketing. Consider offering limited edition collections to create urgency and excitement around your brand. Engage with your customers by responding to feedback and implementing suggestions for improvement. Monitor sales metrics and gather data on customer behavior to make informed decisions. Scale your production as demand increases, ensuring quality remains a priority. Attend fitness and fashion trade shows to network and showcase your products to potential buyers. Explore collaborations with established brands or fitness events to expand your reach. Continuously assess market trends and adapt your product line to stay relevant in the industry. Invest in customer service and build a community around your brand to foster loyalty and retention. Regularly review and refine your business strategy to ensure sustainable growth and success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.